Hey guys, welcome to Porthello Cove difficulty level hard golden shot. I'm going to show you my setup for the golden shot today to try and get you guys as many chests as possible, and more importantly try and get you guys at least one chest on your free shot. You can see here that I've got the cobalt chest on my free shot, and I'm going to buy some shots now to try and get the aqua, crimson, amber, and obsidian chest. And on this hole we're going to be using the golden wood, and we're going to be using a variation of backspin depending on wind and curl depending on wind, and we'll always be using max side spin to the right, and our setup and our aiming reference points are going to be around the edge of the rough and the edge of the bunker with the yellow and blue ring. So why don't we take a look? So in this case we've got a tailwind, slight tailwind, slight side wind of 6.9, so we're going to be using just over 3 backspin, 3 and a bit, almost 3.5 backspin, and we're going to be using aiming reference points of the yellow ring just on the edge of the rough there, and the blue ring just over the edge of the bunker. And for 6.9 wind, we're going to be doing about 3.5, maybe just over 3.5 rings, and then we're going to use a slight amount of curl, less than a quarter ball, to the right, and hopefully we get a decent bounce. This fairway's a bit erratic at times, and we should roll up into the ring, so things look good right now. Here it is coming in nicely, and oh, just a little bit too far left, so could have used a little bit more curl there on that one, guys, when setting up for that shot. Shot number 5 here, we've got sort of a slight headwind. In this case we're going to use a little bit less backspin and still full side spin, same aiming reference points, yellow ring on the edge of the rough, blue ring just over the bunker, and we're going to adjust a little bit more here, just over 3 rings for 6.3 wind, and again slight amount of curl, less than a quarter ball curl. This time we hit a perfect ball, watching for the bounce, running up there, and that's better. We're able to get in there for the crimson chest, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. So we picked up not very good cards, a couple B52 cards, which is nice, and of course a couple berserkers. So playing shot number 4, still have the aqua chest and the obsidian chest. And again, headwind this time, 7.6, so heavy headwind here. In this case, we're going to play same aiming reference points, 3 backspin, full right spin, and we're going to adjust for 7.6 wind, so just over 4 rings. And again, we'll play a slight amount of curl here. Again, less than a quarter ball curl. Perfect ball. And unfortunately we needed to do a little bit more adjustment on the wind, and we come up short. But again, from a consistency standpoint, that shot is going to be consistent as long as you just make the right adjustment. So this time we have a bit of a side wind, 5.2 side wind, so this time we're going to go back to 3 and 3.5 type backspin, full right spin, aiming reference points again the same. And again, we're going to use a slight amount of curl. We're going to adjust for 5.2 wind, so just under 3 rings. And again, less than a quarter ball of curl here. And hopefully we get perfect. Oh, we hit a great left. In fact, might not hurt us as much as you think here because of that wind. And here we come, rolling up nicely. And very nice, we're able to pick up the aqua chest. That leaves us with 2 chests. So Grizzly Endbringer card is nice, and berserkers. So pretty consistent so far. Still need to get that hole in one. So we've got the amber chest and the obsidian chest left. This time we have a right to left slight tailwind / side wind. So this time we're going to go with the backspin again. 3 and just over 3.25 backspin. Aiming reference point this time is exactly the same. Touching the rough with the yellow ring, blue ring just over the bunker. and we're going to adjust just a hair under 4 rings, and we're going to use curl to the right. This time almost a quarter ball because of the wind, and we hit a perfect ball, and that looks to be coming in nicely. And there it is, guys, hole in one. So we're able to get that obsidian chest. And let's see what we got. Rocket, machete, big dog, rapier, tsunami, and of course 9 berserkers. So not a great obsidian chest, but not surprised. Rarely do you get good cards in these chests. So we're down to our last shot here, and we still have the last chest to get here. So again, headwind this time. I'm going to do a little bit less than 3 backspin. Aiming reference points are the same. This time we'll adjust a little bit more than 4 rings to try and make up for what we learned the last time we had this type of a headwind. So probably adjusting for 8.5 wind here. And again, just a slight curl to the right, just less than a quarter ball. And we hit a great left. Need to hit a perfect ball there. And you can see it's coming in nicely. And unfortunately, I think the great ball there cost us. So that's how we're playing the difficulty level hard. Got 4 of the chests. Hopefully this helps you guys. Appreciate your time watching.